Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. So, we have a special one this time. It's with Lucky Daye, and this song is called Over. It's a melody that goes round and round, and it could be a bit tricky. I believe I would need to have some more practice, 10-15 minutes more on this one to get comfortable. But yeah, let's try to do this together. First of all, we need to make an adjustment with the tuning here. So I will try to help you as much as I can on a short time here. But the only thing we need to adjust here will be this E string here and the bass. So instead of E, you will have to tune it down to a C sharp. So instead of being equivalent to this open E here, you see it's not the E here, it will be the C sharp. So you will find the C sharp here, either on the second fret on the B string. So you hear it will match with this note here on the second fret B string, or on the fourth fret on the A string. So you hear it will sound almost the same there. It's just a step darker. So standard tuning. And you tune it down. So normally you tune it towards U, and you need to match up with the fourth fret again on the A string. Yeah, so there we have the C sharp, and I hope you can do that and to get this one, because otherwise you couldn't play the melody as I tried to play it on this one. And I believe this is the easiest way of handling this melody. It's a bit different here, but great one. So yeah, it will go round and round in this entire song. So we'll start here. Just to give you three chords or three grips, so to speak. They're a bit different here as well. So yeah, this one should be called the D major 7 sus2. So it's a long name there. But the grip will be first on the E string when you now have tuned down to a C sharp. So first on E string, then first on the G string, and second on the B string. Okay, that's the first chord, D major 7 sus2. I will call it D major 7. And then the next chord will be D sus2. It will be like this, pretty easy. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and open E. Right? And the next chord, final chord, will be called C sharp minor 11. So it will sound and look like this. So that will be fourth on the A string, then fourth on the D string, then second on the G string, and second on the B string. Those are strings you need. So what I do there, I bar the notes here on the second fret, which is the G and the B string. So I bar those two with my index finger here on the second fret, and the rest I put up here on the fourth fret, A and D string. So those are the grips or the chords we need to know. So with this, we can start to learn this melody. So we'll go through first with this D major 7 grip and the parts that belongs to this one, the notes. Alright, so pretty easy. So you pick this chord or this grip first, these three strings together, so that will be the E string, the G string, and the B string. You pick those together first. And then you're gonna play 5 times on the B string, which is on the 2nd fret. So, and then 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 6 times actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with this first pick here, you're gonna, if you count this on the first, it will be 6 times, but without, so play the chord first and then 5 times. And then open B. So chord, 1 pick, then 5 times on the 2nd fret B string, and then 1 on the open B. Okay, so that's the part that belongs to the D major 7. Then comes the next, the D sus2, the chord. When you play this, you're gonna play all 4 strings, you try to, so you play the D, G, B, and E string on 1 pick like that, and then you're gonna play another 6 of the open E string, and then 3rd on the B string. So you don't have to switch anything there, everything is within the chord here. Okay, so far, slowly it will be like this. Okay, then comes the next chord here, the C sharp minor 11. You go up here and you play all these 4 strings, the A, D, G, and B string. And then you're gonna play another 8 of the 2nd fret B string. Alright, then you're still holding this chord and you play only the D, G, and B. Like this. And then open B. So far, this chord, the C sharp minor 11, 1 pick of these strings, 4 strings, and then 8 times on the 2nd fret B string, and then again you play all the strings there, but without the A string, so only the D, G, and B. And when you play that one, you go to the open B string, and then you have this grip here. That will be the open E string now, together with the 2nd B string and the 1st G string. These 3 strings you play together like this, and then a short bass there. It will be another open E string in the bass, then 4th fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the A string, then up here on the 7th fret E string. And it feels very odd to go that far up here, but there's the only way you can hit this note here. And then open E string. And it feels maybe a long jump up to here to 7, but you actually have time to go up here and go back, since you have one of these open E strings. So while you play the 7, and then you play the open, and on the way open you go down here and you're gonna get a new round of this melody here. So you have time and then go on here. All right, so yeah, I will try to play this melody slow for you so you can be able to follow. and then I'm gonna try to play it in standard tempo. I'm not really comfortable with this yet, but I believe it grows on me more and more, and it feels easier and easier. So let's try to get this slow first. Yeah, so that's the melody here, and I believe it could sound something like this. Yeah, so that pretty much covers this very cool song from Lucky Daye called Over. It goes like this through this entire song. So yeah, good luck with this one, and yeah, I will try to make it as easy as possible to do these tutorials. And this one needed to be tuned down on to the C sharp here with this E string, and that's the only way to get these darker notes there. So good luck with that one, and see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tune like I just played. See you.